Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that I found whilst we were away for 4 weeks last summer. I'll also be sharing with you how we managed to get aircon fitted to our caravan for only £750. I hope you find this video useful. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now it's a beautiful sunny day, but unfortunately it's too sunny, so I've had to pull this blind down, so hopefully you can see all right in here. And I'm still in Costa del back garden in the caravan. And in this video I thought I'd share with you just some tips and tricks that we picked up whilst we were away for 4 weeks in our caravan last summer in 2024. Now I hope you find them useful, and please do share in the comments below any tips or tricks that you might have to just make life in the caravan that little bit easier whilst you're away. I can't wait to read them, and I hope you found these useful. So one thing I've been doing in order to help with the fridge Jenga is take all the meats out of the plastic containers they come in at the supermarket and put them into these sandwich bags. It means that I can fit in so many more into the fridge and they're not taking up so much space, which also means less trips as well then to the supermarket and more time for enjoying your holiday. Another great investment this holiday is this camping kettle. Now I got this from Amazon and I paid about £15 for it. Now you can get them much cheaper, but I wanted a cream one, so it went with all my interior of the caravan. And this has been brilliant for making cups of tea and coffee throughout our holiday. Because I do have an electric one, but I find that the electric one has been tripping some of the sites. So ever since that happened on our second site and the one night stop we had there, I've just been using this trusty kettle since. I also have this mocha pot, which again was from Amazon, and it was a great buy. I think again I only paid like £10–15 for it, and it's lovely for having a lovely fresh coffee and creating that lovely smell of coffee in the caravan as well. Another great investment for us is this under the bed aircon unit. It has a remote control where you can control the temperature, and we had this fitted coming up to about 18 months ago by Truma themselves at their headquarters in South Derbyshire. They had a special deal on their social media where they were selling off ex-demonstrators, and we paid around £750 for this, fully fitted by Truma with a 2-year guarantee. And to be honest, we would not have even contemplated bringing Trixie with us if we didn't have it. And it has been a godsend to have, to make life in the caravan a lot more comfortable whilst being away, and the temperatures being in the mid to high 30s each day. Another thing that we've had and really enjoyed this holiday is this USB rechargeable lamp. We have it outside at night, and you just charge it up using this USB cable, and it's just underneath, and it's a touch lamp, so you can change the lighting as well. So I definitely recommend that, and they seem to be very popular in a lot of restaurants as well. I've also got one where it's just the top part and it goes into an empty wine bottle, so if you want to save a bit more space. But that again was just from Amazon. I think I paid around £20 for that, but the one that just goes into a bottle, I think I paid about £7 or £8 for that from Temu. Another thing which has been good this holiday is I've put artificial grass. I've stuck it on to our caravan step. Let me show you from the other side. As you walk in, it's a bit more comfortable on your feet. And it's also meant that when we were on the beach side pitch, all the sand came off your feet and not into the Caravan, which is good. Keep your Caravan smelling fresh. I put the Unstoppables, the little like pearly things that you put in your wash to help your clothes smell nice in here. Now I've always used the Lenore ones, but this holiday I picked up the Aldi version, which obviously were cheaper, but the smell is not as strong and it's not lasted as well, so definitely best to stick with the Lenore ones to keep your Caravan smelling fresh throughout your holiday. Since coming back, I've now restocked my organza bags with the Lenore Unstoppables, and it smells so much nicer and so much stronger and fresher when you come into the Caravan. I do find these really good for just keeping that freshness and that nice smell when you come into the Caravan. Particularly when it's not being used and it's laying dormant for some time. This was the dog bowl that I picked up in Aldi for Trixie. You just literally put this part into the freezer, which fits in quite nicely, and it's meant that her water is always kept cool then in the day for her. So I would definitely recommend picking up one of these freezable dog bowls from Aldi. When you're away for a month, you do get quite a lot of washing, so I bought this Caravan washing machine second hand, and you literally put your detergent in, fill it with water, and then put it on to wash. I put it on for 15 minutes, then drain the water and then rinse it, and then you can also then spin it in here, and it just helps keep on top of all that washing, especially being a family and with a daughter who literally wears something once and puts it straight in the wash, to help keep on top of all the washing and meaning that we're not carrying around a load of dirty washing. This has been brilliant and I definitely recommend it. You can get them from like Go Outdoors, but also have a look on Facebook Marketplace because they are brilliant. Unfortunately, since we got back from our summer holiday, our Caravan washing machine has now given up and is not spinning, so we're on the lookout now for a new one. So now I've told everyone to look out on Facebook Marketplace. I probably won't be able to get one, so it'll be keeping an eye out at Go Outdoors, Amazon or Argos or anywhere else that's got them. If you see any on offer, please do comment in the comment box below and let me know, as I am on the hunt for one. When you price up the cost of doing washes on campsites, they soon add up. Although you might think, oh, it's only £3 or £5, when you're away for quite a lengthy time and when your washing is building up, they can be quite expensive using the laundrettes on site, or even at the service stations or supermarkets when you're in mainland Europe. So I definitely recommend treating yourself to a Caravan washing machine. If you do have any other tricks or tips for caravanning, please do share them in the comment box below. It's great to just make life that little bit easier and nicer when you're away in your home away from home on wheels, and I can't wait to read them. Please do comment in the comment box below if you've got any tips or tricks for making caravan life that little bit easier. Please do share them. I'd love to hear them and read them, so please do pop them below. Please do take a look at some of my reels and shorts, giving you some of the other tips that I've picked up along the way for making caravan life that little bit easier. Another one that I've shared before is this IKEA chopping board. It just fits perfectly on top of your cooker. You can have it like this, or you can turn it round and have it like this way, and it just gives you that little bit extra worktop space. Particularly as worktop space is a premium in a caravan kitchen, so I definitely recommend this. I hope you found this video useful. Please do comment in the comment box below if you have any tips or tricks for making caravan life that little bit easier when you're on the road. I would love to hear them. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd be really grateful if you would consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you've already subscribed to the channel, many thanks. Your support is very much appreciated. Many thanks for watching and take care.